So hi, Kristen. Tell me about these knobs I've been seeing show up on my new LG ranges.
So I noticed you can't turn it just by pushing anymore.
I am so happy you brought this up. These are our new Flex Control knobs. So this is a very exciting, very easy way to have flexibility and control right at your fingertips. So out of the box, they're going to come with our 3-step solution turn on. That means you just pinch, push, turn to get the range to turn on. So pinch, push, turn. And this is the perfect solution for families with pets or children, but some people prefer the traditional push and turn. So we have a solution for them as well. So if I pull a knob off, do the pinch, I can take this slide on the bottom. It's going to lock that pinch in place. So now we just push and turn. How easy is that? Control and flexibility right at your customer's fingertips. I think this is a great thing. You should demo with every customer looking at one of these. What do you think?
Thanks, Kristen. I now know all about it.